Okay, welcome back. This is part 4 of my electric bike build. As you can see, the frame's coming along excellently. I've got a panel screwed in around the other side. I'll just walk around so you can see that. There you go. There's a panel on that side. If you look, the batteries and everything are all connected. I've got USB ports also installed in now. With switches, if I turn the switch, you should see the light go on. That's that side, and there's the other one. There you go, on and off. Other side, if you can see, on and off, on and off. And we also have one on the front, if you can see that. Light on and off, on and off, on and off. These are very good in the traffic because drivers without a doubt can see me. And I've also installed a car horn. As you can see, everything's working pretty well. We have our standard mobile phone holder or sat nav, depending on what you want. Pretty good, coming along really well. Hopefully soon I'll have motor battery and controller installed soon, and then take it out on a test ride and you can see how I get on with that. Okay, well, if you like my videos, please like them and subscribe. Thank you very much.